Okay, so once again, a big welcome to this particular platform, Penas TV. Now, this lady you are watching on the screen, baby or dad, film, yeah. By the end of the day, if charges here, the born is true, then she deserves every bit of what is coming her way. The lady, who on the screen said the friend Ghana ha Hajia4Real ni dianka say Mona Fice. Na me ka say oko UK last year along the way in the middle of last year oko UK so quiet shopping. No ako Gucci shop no trap pictures no ma ladies no men no pressure on Instagram on nuntina and then lady bia your friend Osta XOXO no yekunya because they are being forced to go in for rich men and live up to expectation and as live up to a certain level obia ensuma womo na lady no en shop e wo Gucci shop no because some making Israel back just no Gucci shop ho and ye beche no to say omo onni nyina Gucci shop just a shop like this no and a UK police for bar say no they need her to assist them in investigation. Just a few words with you hu ya ne say or police station here hu ya ne say yeah the anklet ato the 9 one yes untimi fi UK without the permission. The one say you're not to play so you're the US you're extraditing now US to go and face felony charges and fraudulent charges. So the big question is, what did she do? US almost 7 years back, almost from 2013, they've been looking at this woman. They've been following this woman even from 2010. Now, lady we onyeju maybe her Instagram handles, Facebook handles, or catch her say onya endorsement those few a fake. She doesn't make her money that way. In fact, they can't even pay her the money she wants. So what does she do? Or no any fraud boys be oma can boom into no obey using the picture they are fraud into brony. So I want to speak to you in person. I want to do a video call with you. Then Hajia4Real will go and show her face and meet them. At the end of the day, they'll bring up a scheme. We will good. I'm from a royal family. I'm if you know. You will good no me papa we no I was say me tua we near the good ni mama na or jinko for is can according to the US prosecutors and yam na make US government website they are saying say it has gone on for over 10 years and a lot of victims are as a scawaji over $20 million. That explains the East Legal mansion and some of the cars she's in. Now, even today, we are not even going to her riches and a fake lifestyle and the chrono bar or the amass all of this wealth. Today, Menuka say information about kind of air parties all the charges here they are born initially not on any lawyer. Or more press and can reduce the charges, but something has happened. Now, before I could tell you what has really happened, for those of you who don't know, information there, but look at this. Recently, Odini birthday, this was a big mistake. Odini birthday, even though you had machine, Ashan and Naho, I be monetano. I money Pia debi or shed them the birthday and she decided to go on Instagram live and she was talking. Ghana for expected or Ghana in the next coming months. And our tunium and our oil the OCD haters. But this was a great mistake. But we'll come back to this particular video and how it even played in court and even what the lawyers are even talking about. Now look at this. In something in our course, I told you say the Hajia4Real and the lawyers they sent a plea to the United States New York courts. This is what they were saying. I'm about to say, "Bre Hajia4Real UK no. Yeah, the anklet to the now say money could be ultimate to season a passport and all the things you catch and say money no. One yes, she obeyed the rules. She obeyed the rules of it. Or say in the lawyer's crown, a part say a bra. A do say a be extraditing na US na face similar and more charges no pono. Yan fanan two police came. They allowed her to book her own flight. According to the lawyers, this was because Hajia4Real was of good behavior. So if Hajia4Real was of good behavior, and now what we of good behavior true and or by US, I didn't almost say on share the money more like a house arrest. Meanwhile, her daughter is beside her. Apart from her daughter being beside her, also P. I was so then the backward shopping, case in so allow her to move around and grant her a bill of Diawo Obetia. Inti plea way and omedikoma a year judge our courts. Bedikoma judge in our courts Guess what happened? They slapped her with 7 more charges. In fact, lady we near corner, she might spend a lot of time in jail. For those of you who don't understand the charges, let's put this on the screens, okay? So this is Hajia4Real, okay? Now let's start with the first charge they are born. So this is the first charge they are born. No, say charge one. Charge one they are born a fraud by wire, radio, or TV. So in US, say oka asem through radio, TV. So may ye business before usika be shim and nabe mamiska. Na your intention is to rob people and no a fraudulent by wire, radio, or TV. So wire and part is the internet, okay, radio station, TV. So omu part say Hajia4Real use these mediums to fraud people. Into obi chat, so Hajia4Real, go and check out my Instagram handle, blah blah blah. I'm a good person, I'm popular, I'm a video. Ninjan a fraud or the frauding crop for. So this is the first charge at the board. Or no, of course, you pay bill no onim the eba. Charge 2. You say money laundering, fraud, and other conspiracy. So this charge, let me explain it. Money laundering, patch say, ebia obi senuska if US abagana. I did it. I received money from US and UK a lot, but yes, Seniska usually passes through bank and it passes through any medium. Ibitima taxi scanner. But Hajia4Real scanner there be. Or the fuck with Tikwan Bisu Sana be abyssing nice Santa without paying tax and no and a year fraud. Aside from that, so other conspiracy in HSA or the Niama be brave because we share court documents by and in some of which almost say one of the main scheme we use to a gold. Don't know Becca Sasa. Oh, I'm from a royal family. My father died, and then there's gold. I have to pay like $100,000 to get the gold. Now, Bruno to Jimmy or the Abba, and their conspiracy. Now, let's look at the chart 3. Chart 3, attempt and conspiracy to commit fraud. So this is what they are saying. It was an attempt to fraud people and even conspire to commit fraud. Now, the reason why they are using attempt and conspiracy is because it's still in court, okay? No matter the evidence, court will know she will be treated as a suspected criminal. So we can't say Hajia4Real is a fraudulent. We will say she's a suspected criminal or a suspected fraudster. So the court is using their choice of words wisely because it could backfire against the prosecutors if they don't get it right. What am I saying? She's also a human being. You need to respect her rights. So they are saying, attempt and conspiracy to commit fraud. So all these while, Hajia4Real, your year good, she was attempting to fraud people, and even in the process, she was committing fraud. Now let's look at more charges. Lady, we now charge 4. Charge 4, or say laundering, money laundering, fraud, and others. Money laundering, fraud, and others. So Hajia4Real. Ye chim ya nkofo bi atwa ne ho ahia nkofo no mu twa ne ho ahia no ejuma ba kope no mu di. They use their pictures and videos to fraud people, and then in a way she coerces with them. Ono mo kambom edin kwase asem de ndie ono ye the queen aunt say oba him and omo yes an kwase ade mini nyina we are broni so person I want to see you, I want to talk to you, then no nyoma kokasa we are last part of be breaking away in scan now. I then rehearses our gold story. We will come through book so she can follow a scheme and a script. I know what I'm talking about because I know people who do those kind of things. Now, 5. Charge 5 and also conspiracy to receive stolen money. Now, these words, the inter may use or use conspiracy 2. Conspiracy 2. Omonka said receive stolen money is because once again she's a suspected fraudster. A law in US, a person cannot be found guilty unless a court of competent jurisdiction. So what we are talking here and what they are talking about here is so simple. They are saying all that Hajia4Real did, she conspired with people to receive stolen money and I receive money. So obi yan enkwasi adijiji ni sike wi ano no so akwaji stolen money, conspiring people to steal money. So let's look at the 5. Charges. How can this lady escape this? Charge 6. Or say sale or receipt of stolen goods and security and so on. So let me explain this. In all these things, she used gold. Now, a business and we need the book here. Anytime they talk about your friend is something security, security in business usually is gold, assets, or land or anything. Now the reason why they call it security is because some more gold and I'm this year. Me won't say me make gold, and gold always ups in value. So that is a security. The amount for what is coming to me to bank, MA saving mom with all these things are securities. So omo patch say Hajia4Real eka se meton gold amount no or ton a schema order than for se met ebia me miska me koji gold. Mamiska na me koji me gold no ebia me bema ni nyina no to receive stolen security goods and so on. So the gold in question here near can tell yeah no akwaji or if I'm scamming kwaji make gold ebia gold remember 10% sa intini pan year longer I'll give 5% sa. And even crown I'll come back to that. There's one charge so my fan. So let's enter charge 7, felony. So the felony here has to do with a criminal act or intent. A criminal act or intent. So look at this. I wanted to say something so now I came on to this. So charge 7, the NTA say Hajia4Real what she did is a felony act is because all this while what she was doing, she was stealing from people. Like what she's doing, any the bullion ban for you know, difference ni pay you true. But indirectly, you know, she's also killing them psychologically and physically or emotionally. Emotional robbery, robbing people of their hard-earned work. Now, one of the schemes are a US website no so more can air patches say Ibu or Hajia4Real to me to the extent say, oh, you know, now you've done everything, I'm ready to marry you. So send me money to do my visa application so I come to US and marry you. Now Bruni Jimmy also send $100,000. No, I send $100,000. Now Hajia4Real call for any alert in the bar any ebe pape sa ni release and your wisdom boy. Ebe pape sa ni any chat while I live or Instagram. Criminal. So if you're watching me and you're a lady for way too for and yet it's not all that glitters is gold. Guys are doing fraud, guys are doing sakawa, guys are killing people, people are doing weird things for money, people are stealing. In fact, your best friend could be a serious armed robber. That person you think is a big man in your area could be a serious ritualist. The next thing you do, and a killer boy, young guy on Nigeria, also a cryptocurrency. Wako kune ne girl, if you try na yase any new phone, you know, add then was in the wolf non any yakazakasa. It's a lie or the quiet rituals. So basically, you know, that is it. Hajia4Real there, Odini birthday or so Beba Ghana anytime soon, which I doubt will be true, which I doubt to be true. So Hajia4Real she will not be coming to Ghana. But you need indemnity because in US law, no more say a person cannot be found guilty unless he did assembly. So let's see what her defense will say. We'll give you more updates as all of these various events unfold.